Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Satin Suzie scents haul. Now I ordered from her during one of her sales. She had like a ready to ship sale, but also her customs where you could get scent shots for a special deal or something. So somewhere I had a paper too where it had, she always includes like a piece of paper that includes melting instructions and some of the scents that you may not have, like that may not be on our site or something. I don't know what I did with the paper, but anyways, it's very helpful. Make sure you read it when you get your order or whatever. But I tried to stay under a certain amount of scent shots here because I noticed when I had like one or two extra, it bumped up my shipping a little bit. So try to be aware of that. If you just take one of your scent shots out, it'll bump shipping back down to padded flat rate envelope prices. Because I know I had like one extra scent shot in there and I was like, holy crap, like shipping just went up to like 10 bucks or something. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and take one out and see if it bumps shipping back down. She also has a new customer deal, which is nice for a, if you're trying her out for the first time. I believe it's 8 scent shots for $13 and then padded flat rate shipping price. So that's a nice way to try. So I did get some samples. I got vanilla sugar waffle cone. And I always appreciate samples. I like these because you can mix them super easy. And that's exactly what this is, vanilla sugar waffle cone. No surprises there. And then I got strawberry shortcake. I don't know if I've tried this one or not. Oh, you know what? I did. I did this in one of her cupcake things, her steampunk cupcakes. That's actually really good. It's not an artificial strawberry at all. It's actually a really nice fresh strawberry with a little bit of like bakery. And then the next one I got is coconut lemongrass. This one's always kind of tricky for me because it reminds me of, well, let me smell it first to make sure. Yeah. This one, for some reason this one always kind of, it's that strong citrus scent that like Avo Bath has from Lush, but a lot of people do the dupe. I do smell coconut in there though, so that's kind of a nice little thing. I don't know if the other lemongrass scents have like that coconut, but I do like the coconut in there. You can smell it. Okay, so let's get into the scent shots because I don't have very many. So the first one I got is Down South Dixie, which is whiskey, vanilla, espresso. And let's just be honest, I really don't need any more. Like I'm kind of doing good on my wax stash as it is, so I really don't need to like go nuts. But I do really like Satin Suzie scent so far. So wow, I don't even know. Geez, what am I smelling in here? It's definitely coffee. I do smell kind of like that alcohol-y note. It's not bad, it's good. I'm gonna have to get this one on a warmer to see how I like it on warm, but I do like it on cold. So I wanted to try that. That was one of her newer scents. Figured I'd try her rosemary mint. I always kind of like to try each vendor's rosemary mint because I do have a favorite from a certain vendor, and I don't know what it is about this certain vendor's rosemary mint, but I've never really been able to find one that's similar, I guess. This one is pretty good. This one is pretty minty though, which I mean, I guess all rosemary mints are, but I've just never smelled mint that strong in other rosemary mints, but it's good. I don't know. I'll have to pull out the rosemary mint that I like and compare it and get back to you, but it's not bad. I did grab Good Morning Sunshine, and I think this is kind of like oranges and maybe grapefruit, and I don't have the scent notes here, but it's a very like citrusy scent. It's got an appropriate name for Good Morning Sunshine. Yeah, I think this is like oranges, probably grapefruit, and then maybe something sweet in there just to kind of sweeten all those citruses up a little bit. But this one smells really good. I think this would be really good for like a morning time, like try to wake you up, pick me up type thing. And then I got another citrus linen. I warmed this one, I think, when I did like my review, and I loved it, so I grabbed another citrus linen. A lot of vendors carry this kind of scent, but I just really liked hers, so I grabbed another one. And that is, it's linen and then citrus mixed in. Or I think it's just a single oil, to be honest. And then I wanted to grab a vanilla smoothie because I've been wanting to mix a lot of things with like a vanilla, like milky ice cream type scent. So And this one is, yeah, this is just that soft, smooth vanilla scent. It's very good though. I do like the vanilla in that. And then really quick, I wanted to show you, so they all came in these bags. She's got different colors. I have a blue one and a green one here. I'll just show those to you real quick. So I got a green, blue, and a pink, and they all come tied up neatly in a ribbon. Of course, I just tear it off, so, but the presentation is pretty. So I have 2 more shots here. I grabbed grapefruit because I do like to mix grapefruit with laundry, and I thought I would try hers. She has her pour date listed on there as well, which is always nice to have. And this is just, you know, I mean, what can you say? It's grapefruit. I do like hers. Grapefruit is a great to mix with laundry. I have had a grapefruit laundry blend from a vendor before, and I really like mixing it with laundry. I don't know. It's probably like nothing really new, but it's just one that I've always like purchased from a vendor, but I don't buy from that vendor anymore. Okay, so this is tomato leaf, and I saw this in her ready to ship section. I was like, you know what, let's just try this, because I don't think I've ever tried tomato leaf like by itself. I always dump them out and smell them on the bottom. Whoops, because I always feel like they smell, like if you smell the top and the bottom, sometimes you smell different things. I don't know what I think about tomato leaf. It's definitely green. I don't know what I was expecting with tomato leaf. It's been such a long time since I've had a tomato plant. I feel like it kind of smells like that, like if you got a tomato plant and you like stuck your nose down into like the leaves part, that it would kind of smell like that. But that one's very green and probably earthy is probably how I describe that. So that is my small Satin Suzie scents haul. As you can see, I just grabbed, I grabbed 7 shots because I think the 8th one like threw me over the top somehow or something. I don't know. But it was during her sale, and I was like, it was the weekend that everyone was having sales, so I was like, oh man. So I went ahead and just purchased through a few sales, and yeah, just tried to keep it small so I could try a few. But anyways, that is it, you guys. I appreciate you watching, and if you did participate in any of the sales that were happening, it was Memorial Day, what, right? Was it Memorial Day sales? I'm trying to remember. Anyways, okay. So yeah, if you picked anything up during the Memorial Day sales, let me know where you ordered from. Always interested in trying out some new vendors. I do still have some customs coming, and of course hauls. Ugh. I mean, I shouldn't, like, I don't know why I made that noise, but they're small. Like I have been making smaller purchases, like from some new vendors that I've been wanting to try. So like it's not, I mean, because I noticed like with other vendors, like the certain big vendors that I would order from, like VCS or whatever, like during her monthly restocks, I would go nuts. And then, yeah, just purchasing from smaller vendors has been like a lot easier on the wallet, you know what I mean? So I like ordering from the small vendors and just trying some stuff out, just little things. So it's been nice. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.